If you live in the UK and are using hormone replacement therapy, you should apply for the HRT prepayment certificate. It's done less than in 2 minutes. So you just Google HRT prepayment certificate, open a new page, make sure that's the gov.uk, get a prescription prepayment certificate, click here. There are lots of explanations. Basically, it's explained that you are going to pay upfront £19.80 for a 12 months prescriptions. Doesn't matter how many HRT prescriptions you're going to get on these 12 months, it will be all included. Go down, buy a HRT PPC online, then go down, buy a HRT PPC, then go down below, buy now. Then yes, my HRT medicine is covered by a HRT PPC. Of course, make sure that your HRT is covered by the prepayment. All the GP prescriptions are. Then choose your country, England, Scotland, Wales, or Northern Ireland. Then they're going to ask for your date of birth, your postcode, address, and NHS number. If you don't have your NHS number, you can contact your GP surgery and ask the secretary for your NHS number, which will be easily handed over for you. Then as soon as the application is completed, you're going to get a certificate number that you be handed over for your local pharmacist. Your local pharmacy is going to get your FP10, the old-fashioned FP10, and she's going to give check W for HRT only prescription prepayment certificate, which means that you have paid for it already and you don't need to pay it anymore for the next 12 months. Every little helps. I hope it helps. Keep well.